I am going to discuss this topic, ray diagram for the formation of image via plane mirror. So before starting this, first of all we will discuss about the normal incident and path of reflected ray after normal incident. Clear? So in case of normal incident, suppose this is your mirror and this is your normal incident. So incident ray strike the mirror normally. Clear? That is your normal incident. So in normal incident, angle of I is equal to 0. Angle of I is equal to 0, and according to law of reflection, angle of reflection is equal to angle of incident. Therefore, R is also equal to 0. So in normal incident, the reflected ray retrace its path. So in case of normal incident, this is your incident ray, and after this there is a reflection, and after reflection this ray retrace its path, means उसी path में वो वापस हो जाएगी जिस path से वो आ रही थी. Clear? So this is your normal incident, and in normal incident I is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0, because according to law of reflection, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Now in case of plane mirror, we will draw the ray diagram. This is your mirror, this is your plane mirror, reflecting surface. So this is your mirror, and we put object in front of this mirror. Let this object be this candle. So this candle act as a object. This candle act as a object. And here we consider two rays. This is your first ray coming from this candle or object. This is your first ray. This first ray incident normally on the mirror. This first ray incident normally on the mirror. Therefore, reflected ray retrace its path. तो दिस इज योर रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. तो जो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे होगी वो इसी पाथ से क्या करेगी, मूव करेगी. एंड अगर हम यहां से इसको ऑब्जर्व करें तो देन दिस रिफ्लेक्टेड रे अपीयर्स टू कम्स फ्रॉम दिस साइड. अगर यहां से हम इसको व्यू करें, इन दैट केस दिस रिफ्लेक्टेड रे अपीयर टू कम्स फ्रॉम this side. Now here we consider another ray. So this is your second ray coming from the object, and this line acts as a normal. Therefore this is the angle of incident. According to law of reflection, this is your reflected ray making same angle, that is R, that is angle of reflection. अगर सेम रे को हम यहां से व्यू करें, इन दैट केस दिस रे अपीयर टू कम फ्रॉम दिस साइड. अगर हम इन दोनों रेज को व्यू करते हैं तो ये दोनों रेज हमें लगेगा कि यहां कहीं से आ रही हैं. तो दीज टू रेज आर अपीयर्स टू कम फ्रॉम some another point, and at this point there is a formation of image. At this point there is a formation of image of candle. So this is the image of candle. Clear? So this is your ray diagram in case of plane mirror. This is your first reflected ray and this is your second reflected ray. These two reflected rays appears to come from this point, and at this point there is a formation of image. So this candle acts as object and this is the image. This is the image. Now this is your virtual point. Why this is your virtual point? Because there is no actual intersection of reflected ray. Reflected ray इधर को मूव कर रही है, सेकेंड रे इधर को मूव कर रही है. There is no actual intersection of reflected ray. Reflected ray का actual intersection नहीं हो रहा कहीं पे भी. That's why we extend the ray in backward direction. हमने रे को कहाँ पे एक्सटेंड कर दिया? बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में. एंड there is a formation of image at this point. These two rays are intersect and this is your virtual point. We extend the ray in backward direction. वो actual में नहीं है. That is your virtual. So therefore image formed in this case is virtual image. Image formed in this case is virtual image. Why virtual image is formed? Because there is no actual intersection of reflected ray. हमने उसको extend किया in the backward direction. Second, this is your object and this is your image. जो image है आपकी उसी डायरेक्शन में, जिस डायरेक्शन में ऑब्जेक्ट है, means in the upward direction. This object in upward direction and image is also in upward direction. So second that is image formed by plane mirror is erect. Image formed by plane mirror is erect. There is erect image formation, means in the same direction. अगर इमेज इस तरह से बनती, that is your inverted image, but in this case there is a erect image formation. Next point, the image formed by mirror is laterally inverted. Image formed by mirror is laterally inverted. Is this clear? What is the laterally inverted? Laterally inverted means जो आपका लेफ्ट है वो क्या दिखेगा? राइट, और जो राइट है वो आपको क्या दिखेगा? लेफ्ट. तो व्हेन यू व्यू द मिरर, द इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय मिरर इज लेटरली इन्वर्टेड. मीन्स आपकी लेफ्ट साइड जो है वो राइट में दिखेगी और राइट साइड जो है वो लेफ्ट में दिखेगी. दैट इज योर लेटरली इन्वर्टेड. नेक्स्ट इज, suppose this distance is x. Suppose this distance is x. That is distance of object from the plane mirror. In this case, image formed by mirror is at the same distance behind the mirror. So this distance is also x. That is distance of this image from the mirror is also x. These two distance will be same. Now the image formed at the same distance behind the mirror as the object in front of it. जितने डिस्टेंस पे ऑब्जेक्ट है मिरर के फ्रंट में, सेम डिस्टेंस पे बिहाइंड द मिरर किसकी फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी? इमेज की. इफ ऑब्जेक्ट एट डिस्टेंस ऑफ 2 मीटर, ऑब्जेक्ट अगर 2 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पे है, देन इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय दिस ऑब्जेक्ट इज आल्सो एट डिस्टेंस 2 मीटर बिहाइंड द मिरर. तो मिरर से डिस्टेंस 2 मीटर है, तो ये डिस्टेंस भी कितना रहेगा? 2 मीटर. तो देयरफॉर image formed at the same distance behind the mirror as the object in front of it. Next is size of image and there is same size of image, that is size of image is equal to size of ऑब्जेक्ट. इमेज उसी साइज की बनेगी जिस साइज का आपका क्या है ऑब्जेक्ट. तो दीज आर द सम पॉइंट्स दैट इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय प्लेन मिरर इज virtual, image formed by plane mirror is erect, image formed by plane mirror is laterally inverted, and size of image is same as size of object. There is a formation of image of same size. Last, image formed at the same distance behind the mirror as the object in front of it. Clear? Thank you, students.